can be really easy to forget to switch the breaker back to the on position, or forget to fasten down the treatment system lids, but making sure everything is as you left it may save you another trip out to the job site. Always make a point to finalize your inspection before you jump in the truck. Please keep in mind that the procedures will be slightly different for systems with MVP control panels and other equipment configurations. And please replace missing bolts and leave the panel wiring diagrams and instructions in the panel for the next person. Please find us at www.rcworst.com and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.
So then finally, before you leave, you're going to want to make sure that the breakers are on. In this case, the pump breaker was off. Sometimes both will be off. This one has a handoff auto switch, or actually an auto manual switch, but it springs back to auto, so you don't really have to watch that. So make sure there's nothing in the area here. You're going to shut and latch both latches, and then you want to hold this down for 20 seconds to take it back out of test mode. Now I actually undid the alarm, so in some cases it's easy enough to do that. You can take this little terminal off the puck, that's the audible alarm, so you don't have to listen to that, but before you leave you want to put that back on. So once again, we're going to box it up, go to out of test mode, 20 seconds, seems like forever sometimes. For Cass hanging out with me all day seemed like forever. So then anyway, so that's out of test mode, and we're good to go home. So then at the very end, we're gonna put all the bolts back in the lids. You want to make sure you got all the bolts. If you don't have all the bolts, hopefully you can get some more, bring some out next time you come. But it's important that all the lids are bolted down. We had an incident in Washington last year where a young kid fell in a septic tank and died. So those are the kind of things we definitely want to avoid here. In doing this, I've had people set their drill on kill, not stun. So ultimately that caused the lid to break and crack right where you see the picture here. So it doesn't have to be super tight, about like that. Nice. This one here. You can hear my drill going off. I got it set on number 8. It's a DeWalt. Let me bring this over and show you what a broken lid looks like. So this lid's definitely in need of replacement, and this is most likely because someone ran something along the edge of it like a lawnmower, but this you can get cracking in this area when you drive that bolt down too hard too. Also, these bolts, you kind of have to dig out the bolt recessed Allen area just to make sure when you pull the bolts off you don't strip them out. They're easy to strip out early in the process.